Hello student, in this video we talk about the another transition in Filmora 13, right? So this transition is called the smoke transition. So click on the transition and then the transitions, and in transition click the transitions list, right? Now we search the smoke transition. So it is the called smoke transition, and then you download your favorite transition, right? So I downloaded it, and some transition I have already downloaded, right? And I already imported my media and it divided into some clips, right? Now I want to drag and drop the smoke transition on my selected clips, right? So first I select my clip and then I drop this transition, and now I drop this transition. Now I drop these transitions, right? And I want to wait for these transitions, right? Now I drop these transitions, right? And in last we use the another transition, right? So first I drop it. Now I go to transition, and in transition I drop some transitions. So I drop these transitions on it, right? Now first I render this video for smooth playback, right? Now I played this video on the full screen, right? Now I played. So in this method you use the transition in your Filmora 13, right? Just you select your transition, you also search transition from here, right? You also search the transition, the free and the paid, right? And it is the list of transition, right? You also use the social media transitions or the liquid transitions, right? And the fire transition and split transition and many more transition you also use in this Filmora 13, right? So it is the last lecture of transition in Filmora 13. You just open your transition and practice it more and more. Thanks for watching.